Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Alex from Land Rover Tech, and I just received my new set of tires. It's a Toyo Open Country Model 3 all-terrain tires, and finally I'm going to replace my old worn tires. Yeah, I know it's crazy, you can see how bad they are, but they have seen sand, dust, mud, snow, rocks, and even some kind of ash. And what would I say, that even on those very bad tires, Range Rover was doing a really great job. I have checked all reviews and read all comments about these tires, and I got into the conclusion that those would be best for my needs. The main demand was noise and performance, and of course I'll make a full review after I spend enough time behind the wheel. Let's go replace them! By the way, Jaguar Land Rover lug nuts are pretty soft, and I do not suggest you to use power tools to loosen them or tighten them, and if you go to tire shop, let them know about it.
You need a 10? Yeah.
Let me grab my flashlight. I'll show you something. So you can see this oilish marks. Front passenger side shock needs to be replaced. This is control arms. I replaced a couple months ago.
Yeah, use the red
So you can see no cracks, nothing. This one looks pretty good. What about this one? Has no cracks, so good to go too. First 5 miles and I already love them. There is no noise as I expected. Completely zero noise. Can you hear something? 40 miles per hour. I can open the windows. Nothing. They are really super quiet. It looks much more aggressive, and as usual, you know what helps my channel growing? Comment, like, subscribe, and the most important thing, the bell. Thank you guys for watching and have a good day. Peace.